Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a pivotal tool for enhancing productivity and efficiency. However, just like any tool, the benefits of AI depend largely on how it is used. By treating AI as a virtual assistant, businesses can significantly amplify their existing operations without overstepping the bounds of authenticity and expertise. Here's how to harness AI in business, the right and wrong ways to integrate this powerful tech into your operations. Enhancing and expanding your notes. One of the primary strengths of AI in a business setting is its ability to expand upon and enhance notes or initial ideas. When it comes to biz, I often start with a fragment of an idea, a service I think customers might like, a marketing angle, or just a rough sketch of a new product. In the past, fleshing out these ideas took days of brainstorming and research. Now, I use AI to take these initial notes and generate comprehensive outlines, potential strategies, and even detailed project plans. For instance, when I was conceptualizing a new product line, I fed the AI tool just a few basic bullet points about my initial thoughts. The AI expanded those into a full product development plan, including market analysis and design considerations. This not only saved time, but also provided a solid foundation to build upon, ensuring that no crucial aspect was overlooked. Inserting personal stories and anecdotes. AI can process data and generate content, but it lacks personal experience. This is where the human touch becomes invaluable. By inserting personal stories and anecdotes, you can humanize the content generated by AI, giving it a unique voice that resonates with your audience. These stories, drawn from your own experiences, will enhance the authenticity of your content and make the advice more relatable and practical. Double-checking facts, statistics, and studies. While AI is a powerful tool for generating content quickly, it's crucial to double-check any facts, statistics, or studies it provides. AI can retrieve and present data, but the context or the source's reliability can sometimes be off. In my use of AI, I make it a rule to verify any numbers or cited studies before publishing the content. There was an incident where AI provided statistics on social media engagement that seemed impressive initially. However, upon checking, I discovered that the data was outdated by a couple of years. Had I not double-checked, this oversight would have led to strategic decisions based on incorrect information, potentially harming my business. One of the biggest ingredients of copywriting is proof, and if you make inappropriate claims, you could even face legal issues. Saving time and increasing output. One of the most straightforward uses of AI in business is to increase productivity. By automating routine tasks, AI allows you and your team to focus on more complex, value-added activities. For instance, I use AI to handle email sorting and response suggestions, schedule management, and even initial drafts for some of my content marketing materials. This automation does not replace the creative and strategic processes. It merely facilitates quicker execution of repetitive tasks. By delegating these tasks to an AI, I have more time to engage in deep thinking about business development and innovation, which are crucial for staying ahead in a competitive market. It's also where all the money is. Avoiding using AI for unfamiliar tasks. A vital rule in using AI is never to rely on it for tasks you have no clue about or no experience in. People can generally tell when content or a product feels inauthentic or lacks depth. For instance, if I were to use AI to write an article without any foundational knowledge of the subject, it would likely result in content that is vague, possibly inaccurate, and unengaging. The real work in any biz is the thinking process, understanding the needs, the market, and the innovation required. AI should be employed to execute on well-thought-out ideas, not to create baseless ones. Treating AI as a virtual assistant. The most effective way to integrate AI into your biz operations is to treat it like a virtual assistant or an employee. This means clearly defining tasks for the AI based on its capabilities and your needs, providing the necessary inputs for it to work effectively, and integrating its outputs into your larger business strategy responsibly. Conclusion: AI is not a magic wand, but a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can significantly enhance business operations. It can expand upon your ideas, assist in executing tasks, and save you time. However, the core of your business, the insights, the decisions, the human connection, should always be driven by you or your team. AI is there to help you execute your vision more efficiently, not to replace the visionary. Work smarter, execute faster. AI Squared gives you 100+ high-leverage prompt templates to use AI like a true virtual assistant, so you can expand ideas, save time, and scale output with clarity. Designed for creators, solopreneurs, and business owners who want better inputs and faster results without cutting corners. Get AI Squared today. Your business just got an upgrade. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and click link in description for more.